What's up, guys? I'm gonna make probably maybe not the most epic Lego build ever, but at least I'm gonna make something. So I'll turn this into. Okay, guys, I made something really retarded and gay looking, but yeah, that too left out. And of course, my friend took it, so.
Look, it looks actually perfect.
Okay, my phone. Okay, my gay friend over here broke the entire thing, which is really hard for me to make. So now I can't make it. What's up, Giuseppe?
Give me a pixie stick.
Brian.
Not a pixie stick.
Yeah.
Hi! I got money.
Yeah.
You ain't got no money.
Okay.
Let's push Michael. You're weird. Yeah.